Hello everyone, it's your girl Quoia Renae and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a story time for you all. And listen, if you're not 18 or older, this is not going to be the video for you. I'm going to let you know now, you need to go ahead and click off a little sis or a little bro who's ever watching that's under 18. Deuces, I love y'all. Go watch another video though. Alright, and if you're still here, today I'm going to be doing a video, and I hope YouTube does not take this video down or tries to demonetize this video because I need that coin, sis. So anyways guys, so this story time is going to be about the worst head I've ever received in my life. Like, oh my god, that's so bad. That junk was so bad, y'all. And also it was from a person that I was in love with, and someone that I wouldn't say I was in love with him at the time that he finally did it, but man, I was so disappointed. Have y'all ever been anticipating some great I don't want to keep using the word head, so I'm going to substitute that word for top because I don't want YouTube to do some stuff to my video, so we're going to substitute that word for top. Okay, so have y'all ever was anticipating some good top, some good oral satisfaction, and then once you get it, you be like, what in the hell was this? That's how I was that day. I was like, what in the hell is... I was disappointed. Okay, this is actually from one of my ex-boos. He's actually from one of my other story times as well, guys. So we have been messing around. This story takes place, I'm not really going to say when it took place because that's going to get me in trouble. Okay. I'm just going to say it was okay, anyway, this story time is from about someone that was actually in one of my other... I make a lot of my story times about his ass. But anyways, I had been texting him or whatever, and we had stopped messing around. We had been stopped talking, but every blue moon we would hit each other back up and you start back messing around with one another. So this particular time he was like, I want to do that to you. Top. He wanted to give me some top, y'all. So I was like, okay. He was like, make sure you smell good and stuff. And I was like, bro, you listen, don't play with me. You don't gotta tell me stuff like that. Make sure your nasty ass smell good, okay? So so I was like, okay, let me prepare myself. Mind you, y'all, I had been getting oral satisfaction from other guy. I had been getting it, but it was the first time me getting it from him. Mind you, I had been intimate with him for years, and he had never done oral to me. Like, never gave me some top. He never did that. And I never even really pressured him into doing that. I just was like, whatever. I just wanted him. So I didn't care about him doing that to me that much. But for the first time after years, he finally decided to do it. So he comes to my house later on at night, and I'm making sure, you gotta scrub that coochie area really good when you about to get some top. You need to scrub it really good anyways, not scrub, y'all. Don't be ripping off your coochie skin, but you gotta make sure you done gave yourself a really good bath, a gooder than usual bath. Okay, let me just say that. So I just made sure I was smelling really good for him. He came over, and where we was laying in the bed, we were talking a little bit, and of course he started, kissing on my neck or whatever. That gets your girl excited or whatever. So I'm like, okay, yes, this finna be good. It's about to go down. He about to give me the best I've ever had. Like, I can't wait, y'all. Like, I was hyped about this. So he started kissing on my neck or whatever. He started leading his way down to my areolas or whatever. He was doing his thing with that area. I don't want to go into a lot of detail because I don't want to make this video too graphic. But he started easing his way down or whatever, of course, until he got to the punani area. So he got down there, y'all, and I'm like, okay, it's about to happen. He gets down there, and y'all, When I tell you, when he got down there, I don't know what he was doing, but it was like it was like he was, I mean, it was like he, I mean, not licking it like a cat, but licking it like a damn lion trying to attack somebody, trying to goddamn eat a fucking little kitten or something. Like, he was licking he was licking that area so hard. Like, what are you doing? And then, like, he had been on the phone telling me, oh, I'm good at that. My ex, you know, she really made me get into that because I really went too much into that back in the day when him and I used to mess around. But he said since he had been with his ex, he had been like, she had got him really into it. And I was like, okay, I'm thinking he finna, you know, show me some tricks, honey. Like, what you finna do? You finna make me go into a seizure, honey. Okay, so he gets down there though, girl, when I tell you he was licking it like something, like it was real hard and it was too fast. Like, listen, fellas, if any fellas are watching this, or even girls, some girls, you know, y'all do y'all thing down there too. So if y'all, I've heard this thing where girls do it better than guys. I've never gotten it done from a girl, but I've heard this thing where girls do it better than guys because girls know what another female wants and what she likes. Listen, let me tell y'all something, guys. Y'all need to take a page or two from a lesbian and let her teach y'all something, because some of y'all don't know what y'all doing. Him in particular was one of them. It was so bad. I was just like, I didn't even let him stay down there longer than probably a freaking minute because it was just so bad. Like, I couldn't even, you know how sometimes if you know you're not really enjoying being intimate with somebody, so you kind of fake it a little bit. You be like, I couldn't even fake it. Like, I was just like, wait, like, oh, wait, what are you doing? Oh, wait, what are you doing? I couldn't even fake it. It was just that bad. I was just like, come on, let's just get straight to it, because I was just so turned off at that point. It was terrible. It was terrible, y'all. And I was so upset about that. And to this day, he still don't know that he was the worst head I ever had. He was definitely the worst that I had ever had in history of head, okay? And I'm so happy now that my boo now is just a blessing. He's just a blessing. His mouth is just a blessing from, you know, okay? And y'all, I'm not gonna make this video too long. That is pretty much it from my story time. If he's watching, I don't know if he watches my channel, but I just want to let you know that, you know, you scarred me for life, you know. I never thought that head could be that bad. I didn't even, especially from someone he didn't have, when we were intimate, he was good, but as far as his mouth goes, it was bad, okay? It was really bad. And you know, I don't know if he can ever come back from that. Like, I wouldn't want that ever from him, you know. And I feel bad for the next young lady that he gets with, and he does that to her. Perhaps maybe she's into that. I don't know, but listen, I don't like that. Females don't like when y'all lick it too hard. That shit is whack. Like, don't do that, bro. Like, anyway, y'all, that is the end of my story time. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you want to see more story time on my video. I hope YouTube don't get me in trouble from this video. But make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Follow me on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. Y'all, he actually follows me on Instagram too. Ooh, I guess I can't tell y'all on Instagram to make sure y'all watch this video, because he gonna be embarrassed. But I ain't say no name though, so he don't know. Well, he might. Bye, y'all.